I tell all y'all they're free to follow me into having seen me to school lecturing the blessed need to recklessly fill up hell's steam. Kill one dwelling out in fake bitch ass hatred I'm sold is sacred. Those bitches hit with nastiness as if he's the one angels pick. Why must y'all label this a bitch when I tell y'all that's my opposite? God is just rocking shit, dropped in bliss who's helplessly settling. Devil isn't me and y'all best believe I'm leveling these bitch made. Grave them simpletons in hell dividend till the end of fucking time. Men must come and find out I'm lying. I'll have to get the rhymes out. My mouth cannot ever be shut and better believe I don't give a fuck. Bust them up like a gutless fucking cup. I'm stuck in hell's clutch. Felt the hatred for a very long time and carried all my hatred sacred. Satan's safest cause mafia ones know that God be the one devil side with. Level my bitch ass crew. Cannot join this school too scared to do. Jews can follow if he not hidden in sorrow but hell he gotta borrow. Our road is tough. Gotta leave one so I'ma drop these up. Cause gotta be just. Watch me fuck hell up in one dwell running up that wall will forever fall. Call me a bitch cause you just stand y'all needless be a sizzle prick. I'ma get a pistol, grip and smacking y'all around like some dismal bitches. I'm caught up worse than the simple sickness and isn't this been different. Living sinless, I'm him. Cripples and sin on a hater, tried to save her. Lay your asses down crying like Brian trying to run when I tried to fight. Then that's right, listen on the mic, spitting on the fucking mic. I'm one coming tight, judging life and monsters always God serve. Drop work with intentions, keep men distant, cannot settle heavenly. Devil let him be what he fantasies, handing these hells, can it be? I'm a damn these fucking bitch made hit gay. I'm one this crazy. This baby spitting sicker than Slim Shady is waiting to get to dating. Who's lazy but never out of line? My babies resemble my father Shady. Shady babies doing crazy, why? Cause maybe we need protection for eternal life. It's hard to Lord be your cruel kind burn. Men can't fly in heaven's light. I'm letting my mind stay on the grind like it knows how to shine. Drowning my bitch ass adversary acting scary is actually very fine. Paradise is mine is heavenly sighted and fighting for it is provided. Come alive in heaven's gates, our eternal resting place. Said this face, rapping ways mobster bangs and God, pure hate who's dropped and baked. Cops can say the fuck away from me, they already tried to murder me. Those two pigs will get spent in hell's wretched fuck dividend. Kicking us in the face when I'm crawling out of motherfucking space. Then y'all say I'm lying and denying the police really try to kill me. Silly the law is brutally abusing us like it's amusing lust. Fuck those two pigs for life is what I fucking write them might. I'm something tight as fuck, figure rate me up while everyone laughs. My back's cracked, mine's whacked, then heart stacked with hatred. Bitches fake this fake sick, I don't even know how old I am. I don't know how much time I've lost cause y'all is fucking soft. Tossing that shit on one like baggage is what I'm asking. Rapping sick as this white man Mick trying to get into the spotlight. I got life tied in a knot and I promise I can fucking box. Nothing rots worse than a putrid human stuck on hell's drain. Pain he sizzles while hell's drained. Flushes like a pistol missiles. Untold bust those putrid bones human souls twitching in hell's pain. Insane I became and these lanes need flame forever mafia. I want Andy Bryan and those two pigs delivered when I re-enter. Keep it pure and like please quit. Black me out, I'm losing life. Proving I belong in this world, I just want a girl to family with. And handing this kid a life to properly live will keep God piercing get. Y'all we live forever, games to start, simpletons never crippled in hell dividend. Insisting this was chosen, Lord, I'ma show them horse who to ride. Goose to God spin the rhymes alive on tie cause my angel said to try.